Are you tired of staring at your screen while trying to install or update your favorite games, only to be hit with that frustrating 0 byte download error on Steam? It is a common issue, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Steam corrupt disk error and get you back to gaming in no time. Whether it's a stuck update or an installation that just won't start, these steps will help you resolve the problem permanently. If this guide saves you a headache, please hit that like button and subscribe for more essential PC gaming tips. Let us jump right into the solution. First off, you need to launch the Steam client on your computer. Once the interface is open, look towards the top left corner, click on the Steam menu itself, and then select Settings from the drop-down list. Within the Settings window, look at the sidebar menu on the left and click on the Downloads tab. This is where we handle all of the traffic for your game data. Now, locate the button labeled Clear Download Cache. Go ahead and click that. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm this action, explaining that you will need to log back into your account afterward. Click Confirm and let Steam work its magic. Once the process completes, Steam will restart automatically. Log back in and try to resume your download. In most cases, this simple refresh clears out the problematic configuration files that cause the 0 byte hang. However, if the download is still stalling, we have a backup strategy. Navigate back to those same download settings we just visited. This time, look for the Download Region option. Sometimes the server you are connected to is experiencing high traffic or a temporary outage. Click the drop-down menu and select a different region that is geographically close to you. Once you've made that change, click OK and restart your application one more time. You'll be surprised at how often simply switching your server endpoint resolves the corrupt disk read error. If these steps helped you get your games running again, please support the channel by hitting the like button and subscribing. It really helps us keep these tutorials coming. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!